Hey, it's Gila Nehemia. We're continuing our self affirmations, and today is day 24. 24, and so we have another 6 days, not including this one, of self affirmation. So very, very exciting. We're nearing the end. So if you've been following along and doing them, congratulations, and thank you for everyone who's been commenting, and both on YouTube and in other social networks, and thanking me, and just thanking the divine. Like, this is all flowing through me. So I appreciate that. And as we all rise, as we grow in our consciousness, as we realize we have this unstoppable power, we can do anything together, and we can change our lives and the lives of others and the planet. So today we're focusing on desire. Um, Desires are from our soul. Desires, that's one of the affirmations. Desires are from our soul. And I feel like it's important to share that, because sometimes we feel like we can't have some of our desires. I actually did a podcast today about desire that will be up in YouTube soon. And when we realize they're from our soul, they're from the divine, they are meant to occur. They're meant to manifest. They're meant to be in this physical plane. So when we can accept that, when we can permit ourselves to have that, when we can visualize that, then there, we're not really coming from a place of want. And I want you to listen to my podcast. So I'm not going to get into it here. We're coming from a place of mission. We're coming from a place of service. So when we can embrace our desires as a place of service to humanity, to ourselves, to our own consciousness, to our own connection into the divine, then we're opening up the portals. And the veil is thin right now. We're moving into Halloween tomorrow. For those of you that celebrate that in whichever countries you're in, the veil is quite thin. We're really connecting into the divine. So I felt like desire is important to say today. The other two are: I give myself permission to manifest my desires. As I said before, and I'm worthy of my desires. Sometimes we feel like we're not worthy of having this fantastic thing happen to us, or this most yummy thing happen. Though in actuality, because you exist, you're worthy. There's no definition of worthiness. There's nothing you need to do to be worthy. There's nothing to do to get your desire. What you need to do is, just think about it, believe you can have it, and focus on it, and that's it. Like, it's done. It's going to be part of your existence. So if this is resonating with you, I definitely invite you to affirm this, say it in the mirror, look at yourself, feel it, dance with it, visualize it, and then take the next inspired action, whatever that is. And know deep in your soul and your heart that you can have this desire. This is not coming from a place of lack. It's coming from a place of abundance. It's coming from a place of connection to the divine. And I feel that once our brains, our hearts understand that, it's much easier. The roads are clear. And it takes some time to convince ourselves, and these, as I said earlier, these affirmations, maybe there's something else that would work for you. So dig deeper into what your desire is, and just state it, and know that that is done. And if this is resonating with you, I'm inviting you to my new moon Zoom event that's live on November 4th. I do this for every new moon, and this new moon is in Scorpio. So if you're feeling this passion, this desire to do more with your life, to serve, to give, to receive, to move into higher consciousness, to visualize beautiful life, happy life, abundant life, come to my new moon live event. There are only 10 seats available, so I cap it at 10. And I give you a visualization. I do some quantum healing. We connect, we share, we open in Sacred Circle, and we stay in Sacred Circle for the entire session. It's beautiful, and I'm definitely encouraging you to attend. All the details are below. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.